All right, so today we have our fuel system came in for the big build that we're doing. I just assembled the motor. You can go back and scroll through that. This fuel system was basically, I got this from Johnny Boost. He does a lot of stuff on Facebook. I don't know if he makes any other fuel systems. Basically contacted him, let him know what I was looking for. He was able to get the injectors that I needed, and hopefully we got everything we need. So basically, I was quoted like a 2-week wait. Everything was shipped when it was supposed to be, and it actually showed up this past Friday. It's actually Monday now, so I'm actually getting a chance to open this thing up here in the garage. These guys are going to see it with me. All right, there we go. The tape up there on top. All right. All right, so we got 1650 FIC injectors, brand new, sealed in the box. Looks like it comes with a new seal for your tank. We have, here's our fuel pressure regulator. Basically, I requested that I had everything set up so that I could install this onto a boomba rail, and we actually have a boomba rail. I don't know if you can see down in the box, but this gives you a little bit more of a view. All right, I got the needed a filter because we are going to be running outlet. Huh. This thing's actually pretty light. Looks like the seal and the bracket goes the whole way around, which is actually pretty nice. Some of the other ones I see just have a clamp that go around that actually hold these to the floor, so that'll isolate the filter pretty nice. It is a pretty large sized filter, so next, all right, here's our gauge. Now I'll be mounting this onto our fuel rail. All right, so the door just shut, but we have, here's our fuel line. Fittings and everything are on here. Everything's made, I'm assuming, to the correct length. Here's your return line. Here's return from the regulator. Feed to F on canister. So this one will come from the canister, I'm assuming, to our filter. Looks like this one will go from the canister to the feed on the rail, and it has the fitting here to screw it into our rail. Now this is 8 feed and 6 return. Got a nice little sticker. All right, here's our float. This was ordered to come with an E85 sender. And it's the newer canister. It actually houses the pump inside, so that's kind of nice. A lot of the older ones had it on the outside. Oh, yeah, there you go. Check it out. You can kind of see up in the bottom. We'll get some close-ups on this stuff, but here's just the unboxing. should be everything out of here. Alright, so basically, if you're going to be using this, basically states if you're going to be using these fittings, if you get the correct wrenches for these, you'll have less of a chance of stripping them out or scratching the finish and stuff on the end. Basically is what this is for. It's AN wrenches. So it says to use those, and it also lets you know that you should hold these still when you're tightening these down, because if you do turn these, you could damage the seal. So looks like we got very nice heavy gauge wire running down in to feed the pump, which is pretty nice. Like I said, you can kind of see up in the bottom of this. You can see the pump in there. Looks like this is notched out here at the bottom in comparison to some of the DCR ones. But I do like this style canister over the other stock style ones. I seem to have some good luck with those on some of the other ones that I have installed. And then, like I said, this just kind of like lays in there. The line, it's I don't know. Feels like it might have like a cloth coating in comparison to some of the other ones that had. It's hard to tell. But the sticker's pretty cool. I'm gonna let that up to the owner of the car if they decide they want to install that. And like I said, nice gauge, very easy to read. The regulator, I was curious which one was going to come. Aeromotive is a good brand. It's nice that everything is black in color. That's really going to keep everything looking good here. So, and then like I said, with that, 1650 injectors. I actually opened mine up that I installed, that I'm getting ready to install in my car, and those are the same ones. So this is going to give us a good bit of support for a good bit of power. There will be a video getting this stuff installed. I have a fuel rewire kit that I ordered from another supplier that does a lot of stuff for the srt4 platform. But there you go, man. There's the Johnny Boost fuel system. It looks like it's going to be a pretty easy install. I will have to get some clamps for all of these, and then I'll have to buy some stainless screws to get everything fastened to the bottom of the car. And other than that, we'll be good to go.